Hydrogeochemistry is just a fancy word for taking a water sample.
There's water tasting competitions where people try to taste the water and say exactly what place on earth that comes from. Well, we do it through analysis.
We then approach a landholder and get permission to go onto their property. The process involves going to a water bore or to a water tank on a property, taking a sample, and we do that by collecting water in 3 or 4 plastic bottles.
The water, of course, the groundwater, is also leaching out and sampling all the rocks around it. So whenever you take a groundwater analysis, you're actually measuring the chemistry of all the rocks that water has seen.
We then send that water off to a laboratory where that water is analysed for up to around 50 elements. We can also measure the salinity, we can measure the pH, we can also do some isotopic chemistry work that helps us understand the age of that water. There are many community benefits to hydrogeochemistry. Firstly, it's about understanding the quality of the drinking water, making sure that we don't have any toxic materials within that water that is being used for stock, also for agricultural purposes, for watering, and also in some cases for human consumption. Hydrogeochemistry informs the mining and exploration community by basically acting as a free, low impact drill rig. So because the water bore is already been drilled, we can take a sample of that water and not have to re-drill a hole to see what the geology below the surface is.